Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're making reels on TikTok, adding subtitles is a must. Captions help people understand your video even with the sound off, and they make your content more engaging and accessible. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add subtitles to your reels or TikTok using Canva. It will be a complete free tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's grab a phone, a laptop, and let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you just need to be find it out your ratio. What was your video ratio? So that for reason, I'll click onto the video. Once I click over here, then I will choose my video ratio. You can choose your size, like I will choose the TikTok one. So I'm going to make an reels. Once it's done, then I will upload my video. So you just need to log in and click create design and then choose mobile video or Instagram link. This will automatically give you a vertical canvas perfect for reels and TikToks. You just need to click to the uploads. Here you can see this is the upload one. You just need to click over here, then upload files, and it will be uploaded here without any further ado. So once upload, you just need to drag and drop the video onto the canvas, resize it if needed so it fits properly. So I am going to use pre-made video. So here I will select for the reels, and let's say does we get any reels in here or not. Here you can see we have a couple of reels, so I'm going to use that one. I think this one will be the quite good, so I'm going to use this one. I'll place it here, and as you can see it looks really good. So now we are going to add our first text box. Now let's add your subtitles. You just need to be click to the text into the sidebar and then add a heading. Here you just need to click over here, and here actually you will get to see the add a heading option. So you just need to be drag it in here, and then you just need to be type the first line of what you are saying. Keep it short, about 2 to 5 words, so it is easy to read. So here let's go to the text, and here I'll place the heading in here, and I will write something welcome, and it already been done. I will select the text. From that place I will change the font. I will make it something like this. So here you just need to be find it out your font. I will select this one, and I'll change the color also. I will make it white, and also I'll click to the effect, and then I will select the outline will be the black one. So once it's done, now you can see it already been complete. You can change the color also. So position, like pick bold clear font that match your style. Also for short videos, clear text is more important than fancy text. Positions it near the bottom or center. Just make sure it does not cover your face. Keep parts of the video. Now you just need to be style your captions. So make your subtitles pop. Use bright high contrast colors so they are easily to see. For example, white text with a black outline or background shapes works really well. To add a background, you just need to click to the effect on your text, then pick a background or shadow for more contrast. You can also add a simple highlight box behind your text. Just use this rectangle shape, place it behind your text and adjust the color. Okay, let me give you the practical one. You just need to go to the elements, and then from that place you will get to see the options of this one graphic. Just click on see all. You will actually find it out. If not, then just go and search for shapes here, and here you will get all your shapes. As you can see this one, if you don't find out anything as it you want, you can go and scroll down and you will find out this one, and here you can place it here, and you just need to be resize it as it you want. As you can see, I already resized it, and I will make the color will be the yellow. Yellow is so much clean, that's why I use, and then I'll make the corner will be that, and now you can see it looks really cool. Now I just need to be time, like this step is super important, and the step is time your text to match your words. Your caption need to appear and disappear in sync with what you are saying. Click on the text box, then look for the animate or timing in the top bar. Then below your video you will see a timeline. Here you can see this is the timeline. If you can see the text, here you can see that that is the welcome one. We already able to grab it. So below your video, I already mentioned, you will see a timeline. You just need to drag the text layer edge to decide when it should show and when it should hide. Let's say our welcome will be shown to this 1 second only, so I am going to decrease the length of this welcome one, and it will be visible through these options. Like here you can see, and now it will be hidden. And similar, we are getting problem with this one, so I will reduce the same thing in here also. Now if you see the same thing, when I play the video, it both will be disappear. So this is the easiest one. So you just need to match your words with your voice. So play your video and match your text timing to your audio. For multiple lines, duplicate your text box, change your words and set each one timing on the timeline. Take your time here. Well, sync captions look way more professional. Now you just need to add more line easily. For the next line of the speech, just duplicate. Like here, if you come back to that place, and I am going to make this one in a group, so I will select both plan and then I will make it group. And now if I click on to the duplicate, here you can see it already become duplicate. Welcome to my channel. And you can see that it already, we duplicate in text and we already make this design easily. So this is really easy. You can do it the thing with your website, like your video also. There's so much easy one. So the same, so your caption is stay consistent. Edit the text to your next word, then adjust its timing on the timeline. Repeat this for every time. Yes, it takes a few extra minutes, but viewers will thank you for the captions that are easy to follow. Now you just need to add the animations if you want. It is not the necessary one. Like if you want to make your subtitles more dynamic to simple animation, select your text. Like here, I'm going to select the text, then I'll just click to the animate. Once I click over here, you just need to choose the effect like typewriter fade or sliding. So I'm going to use the typewriter one. It feels really overwhelming for me. That's why I use typewriter. So don't overdo it. Simple animation are enough to grab attention without distracting from what you are saying. Now once you feel that your subtitles are working and well synced with your video and looks really great, now you just need to export your video. Like once you have added all your subtitles and timed them perfectly, it is time to export. You just need to be click to the share. Once you click over here to the share, it will give you the options. Here you just need to be click to the download. Once you click over here, then you just need to be choose MP4 video, and you can see this is the suggested one, and make sure that the resolution is set to 1080p for the best quality. And eventually you just need to be click to the download, and Canva will process your video. Here you can see, save it to your phone or computer when you are ready to upload it to Reels, TikTok or Shorts. This is so much easy one, so we just need to keep patience here to complete the download. So that's it for today. Now you know the step-by-step guide for adding subtitles to your Reels and TikTok using Canva for free in 2025. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.